Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it is a pleasure to join you. In this video we're going to do a question from the November 2019 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. The question says that under high pressure and very low temperature, hydrogen gas may be condensed into a liquid, giving evidence for London forces between the hydrogen molecules. We are asked to explain how these London forces originate. So London forces are the weakest of all intermolecular forces, and they occur between nonpolar molecules. So when two nonpolar molecules collide or approach each other within a substance, their electrons repel each other and the charge around the nucleus becomes asymmetrical. So if we have our nonpolar molecules inside a substance and they start drawing closer together, as would be the case if the pressure is increased or the temperature is lowered, then when they get very close to each other, their electron clouds will start to distort because they're being repelled by each other. So that means that we will have one side of the molecule becoming slightly more negative and one side of the molecule becoming slightly more positive. So the charge around the molecule becomes asymmetrical, and this results in the formation of temporary dipoles. So we have negative on this side, positive on this side, negative on this side, and positive on this side. Then these two molecules can now be attracted to one another, and this is the origin of these London forces, and it's a very weak intermolecular force. Okay, so before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.